How to make a supplier or vendor inactive in QuickBooks. You have a supplier who is no longer providing any services and you wish to inactivate the supplier's record in QuickBooks. Let us see how you can do this. In this video, you will learn how to make a supplier or vendor inactive in QuickBooks. Log in to your QuickBooks account. On the home screen, click Expenses on the left navigation bar. The Suppliers page opens up. Select the supplier you want to make inactive and click the arrow on the Action drop-down menu beside the supplier's name. Select Make Inactive. The supplier record becomes inactive permanently. This way you can make a supplier record inactive. Sign in to QuickBooks for hassle-free supplier management.